What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Guys, I did not plan on getting on today. I planned on washing my hair real quick, rushing out the house to my son's practice, and then going to dinner with a friend and everything. But as I was stretching my hair, I noticed, if you can see, I'll try to zoom in, but I noticed my hair had a blue tint to it. At least it looks like it does to me. It had a blue tint to it. And I thought that was strange because what I used to style my hair today is the main Krush Kurl-Tini, which you guys know that I love. I have several videos of me doing wash and goes on my channel using the Kurl-Tini and using different leave-ins. I'll leave them here. Today I used the leave-in that I have used before and it turned out great. So I used the Curl Origin leave-in. Goes to this line. I think it's the Maracuja leave-in or something like that. And I've used it before. Like I said, you will see a video on my channel. I'll link it where I use that leave-in along with the Kurl-Tini. Got a really nice wash and go. So I said I'll just use that today. I know that my hair will turn out good and I'll be able to go. And I wanted to do a wash and go because it's rainy, yada, yada, yada. My hair holds up better in the rain with a wash and go instead of a twist out. So I was putting off my wash day till today. And now I'm looking at this and it looks like there is a blue tint on my hair, on my strands, and I've never gotten that before from the Kurl-Tini. So if you know, let me get it. I'll just get it for those of you who are not familiar with the Kurl-Tini. I got this off my thing over there, but this is what it looks like. This is a new one. It still has the tape on it. If you remember, I purchased two of these around Black Friday because I was out and I really love this gel or styler, so I picked up two of them because they were on sale. So I opened up one of them today. It's downstairs and that's what I used on my hair, and it is blue. As you can see, this is the color of the styler and it has left a blue tinge on my hair, and I've never had that before with the old one. And I did realize, and I think I said it before when I had opened up a styler in the past, I said this blue is a little bit different. It looks a little bit darker or something than the other one did. And so now I don't know if they changed something or what, but I just wanted to show you guys that. And also I felt like the application was a little bit different. Before I could use this styler, I can put it on my hair and it just defined my curls so quickly and it just held them there, and you can see how the hair is gonna look. But this one to me didn't seem like it did that. It didn't seem like it hugged the strands as well, and it seemed like I had to really, you know, rake it to try to get the definition. So I don't know, I just happened to notice that and I was like, well, maybe I haven't used it for a while, maybe that's just my imagination, maybe it's not different. But now that I'm seeing this blue tint, I think something is different. I'm not sure, but y'all let me know. I just wanted to come on here and share that with you because I know I have videos on my channel talking about the Kurl-Tini, about how I love it. And if you guys got it based on that, and then your hair is blue, tinted blue and all that, I don't want you like, what in the heck? So that's why I'm coming on sharing it with you. It has happened to me. It did not do this in the past. It may go away. I don't know. I'm not going to redo my hair. I have to go out. So it's just going to go, and maybe it will wear off as the days go on, but my hair is definitely dry. So it's not that the Kurl-Tini is wet on my hair. So I'm not sure about that, but let me know if you guys have tried it, if it has done that to you all or not. And let me know if you see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. And when I edit, maybe I won't be able to see it when I edit, but I'm just posing the question to you anyway. If you see it, drop down in the comment section. Let me know if you notice it. Let me know if it's noticeable at this far away. And then also let me know if it's happened to you, and if it did it go away? What did you have to do or whatever? But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I still like the curls. I still like the fullness of my hair. I just am not sure about that blue tint. It's crazy. Anyway, if you're interested in these earrings, I did do a shine a spotlight on this company. This is from an Etsy company. I think it's Tortolano Designs or something like that. I'll leave it in the description box. On my lips, in case you're wondering, and I'm just saying this now because I'll forget later. Uh-oh, do I even have the lipstick out here? It was the Merit. Here it is. Here it is, Merit lip color and slip. Very neutral, very much my lip shade, so I like it. So yeah, on my cheeks I have the Luminoso by Milani blush, and on my face I just have the Wet n Wild stick foundation in Toffee, and in my eyes I have a Juvia's Place palette, different colors out of a Juvia's Place palette. I'm not gonna bring that all out because I don't remember. I used 2 different palettes and colors out of each one and kind of just mixed it until I liked it. So that's what's going on. And this sweater, you guys, I know I got from Nordstrom's. Oh, it's a tunic. I just love the color, and the fabric is really soft against the skin, so I like it. So I'll list it in the description box too if they still have it. But anyway, that's it. And I didn't film this wash and go because, like I said, I have too many wash and goes using the Kurl-Tini, so I didn't feel like it was necessary for me to film this wash and go today. But hey, I want to be transparent, and I want to let you know what my results are with this new batch. So if you pick this up over Black Friday, let me know if your batch is leaving a tint. Anyway, guys, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.